Okay, the appliances arrived. And it just so happens, oh man, did I pick out the right stuff? I was afraid that, like once you see it in that I wouldn't like it, because you gotta pick all the stuff separate. Like here's the microwave. It's upside down, but, right? Nope, that was right side up. That's the microwave. There's the dishwasher. The only trouble I see is that you see all these controls here that are on the top? Okay. It's going to be in here where on the top there's a ledge with my quartzite. So I'm not sure how that's going to work. So there's my double wall oven. There's my cooktop. And look, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I do. It's the perfect color. Sorry, I got squeezed by a box. But it's perfect. Right? And then you have the French doors down here. Now this side could be refrigerator or freezer. That's up to you. Those are the ice makers up top. Look at all that lovely, lovely property that I get to fill up with all the crap I buy. No, I don't buy crap. But she's coming together. She is, she is. Soon. Soon.